What's going on, guys? Thanks for joining me back on the showroom floor. Let's take a closer look at our 41mm balustrades. Our oak spindles are crafted from high quality engineered oak and they come untreated, which gives you the freedom to finish them in any colour you choose, which can perfectly match your style and chosen aesthetic. Our 41mm spindles feature a square edge of 41 by 41mm with a length of 900mm. Now these can really leave you with some fantastic results. Within this range you'll find a variety of designs to suit every aesthetic, from classic oak spindles with clean timeless lines to twisted designs, modern metal designs, chamfered designs, and even our brand new oak and metal spindles, exclusive to and handcrafted by Fixima. To accompany the 41mm spindles, we offer a variety of handrails across all of our ranges, each one expertly designed and grooved to fit the 41mm spindle, and there is a fillet spacer that separates the spindles, ensuring a smooth, precise installation. And of course, we also provide matching base rails to perfectly accompany every handrail. If our 41mm spindles range doesn't catch your eye, then why not check out our metal spindles collection? For more in-depth product information or how-to guides, why not subscribe to our YouTube channel? Fixima is the UK supplier of oak joinery and staircase renovation components. With premium quality craftsmanship, fast delivery, responsive support, competitive prices and high stock levels, Fixima has you covered. Come visit our brand new showroom in Doncaster or get a free quote on all of our premium oak materials. So why wait? Renovate today with Fixima.